Keeping your home cool during warmer months can be a challenge, especially in a place like Meridian where rising temperatures often lead to higher energy use. For many homeowners, cooling costs make up a significant portion of monthly utility bills. One of the most effective ways to manage these expenses is by upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Designed to reduce heat transfer and improve insulation, these windows play a key role in creating a more comfortable and cost-effective home. One of the primary ways energy-efficient windows reduce cooling costs is by limiting the amount of heat that enters your home. Traditional windows often allow sunlight to pass through easily, bringing in unwanted heat and making your indoor space warmer. Energy-efficient windows are built with advanced glass technologies, such as low-E, low-emissivity coatings, which reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter. This helps keep your home cooler without sacrificing brightness. Another important feature is multi-pane glass. Many energy-efficient windows use double or triple panes with insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, between the layers. This design creates a barrier that slows down heat transfer. In Meridian homes, this means outdoor heat has a harder time entering, allowing your air conditioning system to maintain a comfortable temperature with less effort. Proper sealing is also essential for reducing cooling costs. Older windows often develop gaps or worn-out seals that allow hot air to leak into your home. Even small openings can make your cooling system work harder to maintain the desired temperature. Energy-efficient windows are designed with tight seals and high-quality weather stripping that prevent air leaks. By keeping cool air inside and hot air outside, they help maintain a stable indoor environment. Reduced strain on your HVAC system is another major benefit. When your windows perform efficiently, your air conditioning system doesn't have to run as frequently or for as long. This not only lowers energy consumption but also extends the lifespan of your system. For Meridian homeowners, this means fewer maintenance issues and long-term savings on both energy bills and equipment costs. Energy-efficient windows also help eliminate hot spots in your home. Rooms that receive direct sunlight often become noticeably warmer than others, creating an uneven indoor temperature. With advanced glass and insulation, these windows reduce solar heat gain, helping maintain consistent temperatures across all rooms. This improves overall comfort while reducing the need for constant thermostat adjustments. Natural light remains an important part of any home, and energy-efficient windows allow you to enjoy it without the added heat. By filtering out harmful UV rays and controlling solar gain, they create a balanced environment where you can have bright, open spaces without overheating your interior. This is especially valuable in Meridian, where sunny days are common. Another way these windows contribute to lower cooling costs is by improving insulation around the entire window frame. High-quality frames made from materials like vinyl or fiberglass are designed to resist heat transfer and maintain their structure over time. Combined with proper installation, these frames help create a complete thermal barrier that supports energy efficiency. Professional installation is a critical part of maximizing these benefits. Even the most advanced window won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. Experienced installers ensure that each window fits securely and is properly sealed, eliminating gaps that could compromise efficiency. This attention to detail ensures that your investment delivers the expected results. In addition to immediate savings, energy-efficient windows provide long-term value. Lower cooling costs month after month add up over time, making the upgrade a smart financial decision. They also contribute to a more sustainable home by reducing overall energy consumption. Finally, improved indoor comfort is a benefit you'll notice right away. With less heat entering your home, you'll experience a cooler, more consistent environment without over-relying on air conditioning. This makes your living space more enjoyable, especially during the hottest parts of the year. In the end, energy-efficient windows are a practical solution for reducing cooling costs in Meridian homes. By limiting heat transfer, improving insulation, and supporting your HVAC system, they help create a more comfortable and energy-efficient environment. For homeowners looking to save on energy bills while enhancing comfort, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a smart and worthwhile investment.